Hey folks, hot and humid across the valley again today. No surprise in that. We're in the middle of July. Rain free though, not even the sea breeze activating today. 94 McAllen at this hour, 92 Weslaco. Still some thermometers out of service right now. 89 in Port Isabel. Overnight, low temperatures are going to drop in the upper 70s and low 80s. Under partly cloudy skies, it will be very muggy. If you bottom out at 80, that tells you there's just a lot of humidity in the air. And then tomorrow, back up to 100 across the western part of the valley, a little hotter far west. Upper 90s in most locations, South Padre at about 89. The next 3 days, our average high now goes up to 96 tomorrow. We're going to be 98, 98, 98, so above normal, but not record-setting by any means. And when we call it normal, that's a 30-year average, so it's not uncommon to have a few days above, a few days below to bring us to that average, and tomorrow just a little above. Doppler network over South Texas much quieter than yesterday. If you remember yesterday, we were watching a couple of thunderstorms up around Laredo, a lot more over in the mountains. It's all gone. And certainly over the valley, it's quiet today. A few high clouds, but that's about the extent of it. Future track suggests that tonight will be just partly cloudy and breezy into the evening, and tomorrow partly to mostly sunny, breezy again. Winds out of the southeast 8 to 15, gusts to probably 25. We go forward to Thursday, same kind of thing. Some early clouds by afternoon, partly to mostly sunny and breezy. And Friday, we do it all over again. Not much to change as that big ridge is built in, taking control of things, and that's going to keep us dry for at least the next 3 days, probably the next 5 or 6 days. On day 7, we're going to insert the slight chance for a shower or a thunder shower as the upper levels finally start to break down a little bit. This is Texas tonight. Not much happening here. Spotty stuff out west and spotty stuff on that inflow into the remnants of the storm now up over, let's call it western Kentucky and Tennessee. That continues to move out. The big ridge takes control and really does dominate the weather over Texas the next few days, and really all the way through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, probably even Sunday. By Monday, we see a little bit of a breakdown over here. This is Friday, but by Monday, a little bit of a breakdown over here moving westward. If we see that, then that would allow the sea breeze to come to life if it gets anywhere close to us. So at least spotty stuff, but not until at least Monday, probably Tuesday, before we see that. So it's a long way off before we see any significant rainfall chance. The Atlantic is quiet again today. Nothing going on at all now that Barry is out of the Atlantic and this other system we're watching is gone. Nothing expected for at least the next 5 days. The Pacific, we're tracking one system that's sitting to the south of Central America. It has a 50% chance of developing over the next 5 days, but it should stay out in the open Pacific Ocean. If you're headed to the coast, you can expect winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots with a moderate chop on the bay. UV index is extreme. Small craft operators urged to use caution. The risk of rip currents remains moderate. There are 2 tides for tomorrow. Seas only about 2 to 3 feet. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, cleared warm. Those clouds that are out there now should go away. Should be a beautiful full moon out there tonight. 80 for a low. Then tomorrow, 98 degrees, sunny, breezy, warm. No chance of rain tomorrow. Southeast winds at 10 to 15. Another dry day Thursday, dry again Friday. For the most part, dry over the weekend as well. By Monday, a few more clouds, and by Tuesday, a spotty shower works its way into the forecast. We're talking right now less than 20%, but at least the sea breeze may come to life and trigger showers in 1 or 2 locations by the middle part of next week. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.